So good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the class on investment management, where we are discussing past year question papers of investment management for VTU. This is one of the correlation what we found out that in January 2019 question number 6B is same like the January 2020 question number 2B. So you can see the similarity in this question. Both are exactly similar. So you go these things are very common in the exam. So make sure that you watch all my videos very carefully and make sure you practice all the previous year question paper. So definitely you'll get very good marks in exam. So the question what we'll do today, the question what we'll do today, we'll do this question. So this is question number 8, 16 marks case study. So January 2019 case study will do. So January case study will do. So January 2019 case study will do. Fine, everyone. So let's start solving this question. So let me start writing this question. So the state of nature. Ranjita, I'm assuming you're writing everything very clearly. So you need to take photo. So probability. Guys, everyone please refer these questions. So state of economy, probability, a return on asset A, return on asset 1, return on asset 1, then return on asset 2, return on asset 2, return on asset 2. Okay, state of economy 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, then 2, then 3, and 4. These are the state of economy. Probability is given to you 0.1, 0.3, 0.5, 0.1. Then return on asset 1, that is all data are in percentage, so I'm not writing it here. This is 5, this is 10, 15, this is 20, this is 0, this is 8, this is 18, this is 26. So return on asset 1, return on asset 2. Okay, so what is the first thing you'll do? You'll find the expected return. What is the first thing you'll do? You will find the expected return on 1. So the first thing you'll do is to find the expected return on 1. So expected return of 1 means what is the formula of expected return? Probability into individual return. So 0.1 into 5 means 0.5. Then 0.3 into 10. 0.3 into 10 means 3. Okay, so 0.3 into 0.5 into 15 means 7.5. So 15 5s are 75. 0.1 into 20 means 2. So what is the expected return? This become 8. 8 plus 2, 10, 13. So the expected return is sum of PI into RI, that is equal to 13. This is the expected return on 1. So find the expected return on 1. Then find the expected return on 2. Then find the expected return on 2. Find the expected return on 2. So 0.1 into 0, 0, 0.3 into 3, 0.9, 0.5 into 18, that is 9. So 0.1 into 26 is 2.6. So 9.9. So you can take 10. 10. So 10 plus 2.6. 12.6 minus 1. 12.5. Expected return. Anyone, any doubt? So this is clear everyone, expected return. So expected return on 1 and 2. Everyone understood this? Fine, everyone. Anyone any doubt? Anyone any doubt? You got the expected return. So you got the expected return. Once you get the expected return, then for asset one, for asset one, for asset one, find RI minus ER. For asset one, find RI minus ER. RI minus ER. So this is return, and ER for A is 13. So a 5 minus 13 minus 8, 10 minus 13 minus 3, 15 minus 13 2, 20 minus 13 is 7. So fine. So you got this. Similarly do for asset 2. Similarly do for asset 2. Similarly for asset 2. For asset 2. Similarly for asset 2, find RI minus ER. So similarly for asset 2, RI minus ER. So 0 minus 12.5, that is minus 12.5. Then 8 minus 12.5 minus 4.5. Then 18 minus 12.5, that means 5.5. Then 26 minus 12.5 means 26, 14, no, 14, 13.5. Correct? This is 13.5. Any doubt, anyone? Let me know anywhere calculation mistake, anything. Now find Ri minus Er of x multiply with Ri minus Er of y multiply with probability. Multiply this with probability. Okay, so because sum of this, sum of Pi into Rx minus Erx into Ry minus Ery, that will give what? This is what? Covariance. This will give us covariance. Okay, so we'll do this. So means minus 8 into minus 12.5 into 0.1. So minus minus plus. So 8 into 12.5 into zero point 0.1. So you'll get 10. So this is equal to 10. Then next one, minus 3. 3 into minus minus plus. So 3 into 4.5 into zero point 0.3. You'll get 4.05. 4.05. So then 2 into 5.5 means 11. 11 into 0.5 means 5.5. We'll get 5.5. So 2 into 5.5 into zero point 0.5. We'll get 5.5 only. 5.5. Then 7 into 13.5 into zero point 0.1. We'll get 9.45. 9.45. So 9.45 plus 5.5, 5.5 plus 4.05 plus 10 is 29. So the covariance is 29. So you got the covariance. Covariance value is 29. Anyone, any doubt? Clear? So the covariance is 29. Everyone, everyone, covariance is 29. So the covariance is 29. You got the covariance is 29. Okay, so second part of the question, we are done with the second part of question. What is the covariance between the return on asset 1 and asset 2? So that would be 29. Okay, so let's find the standard deviation on return asset 1 and asset 2. So you know the formula, covariance formula. Covariance formula is sum of pi into rx minus erx into ry minus ery. This is the formula of covariance. Now, what is the formula of standard deviation? Square root of summation of pi into rx minus erx whole square. This is the formula of standard deviation. Okay, everyone. So let's do the standard deviation calculation. So let's do the standard deviation calculation. So let's do the standard deviation calculation. Rx minus ERX, do the square of that. This we are doing for asset 1. This we are doing for asset 1. That is X only. Similarly, I'll do for asset 2. RY minus ERY square. This I'll do for asset 2. Okay, do the square of them. Everyone is writing everything. No? Asset 1. So this is, just do the square of this. Minus 8 minus 3. 8327. 8327. 8 8 8 3 8 3 2 7. Okay, everyone, easy. 8327 done. 8327 done. Okay, now this, so this is 12.5 square means 15625, 15625, 15625, 15625. Okay, then 4.5 square means 2025, that is 2025, 20.25, and then 55 square 3025, that is 3025, and then 135 square, 135 square is 182, 182, 182, 182.25, 182.25. Clear, everyone? Anyone, any doubt? Now for asset 1, multiply the probability with Rx minus ERX whole square. Multiply with the probability 64 into zero point 0.1 means 6.4. 9 into zero point 0.3, 9 into 3.3, 2.7. Then 4 into zero point 0.5 means 2. Then 49 into zero point 0.1, 4.9. Clear everyone? Similarly for asset 2, find PI into RY minus ERY whole square. 15625. So 15625, 156.25 into zero point 0.1 is 15.625. Then 20.25 into zero point 0.3. 20.25 into zero point 0.3. 20.25 into zero point 0.3. So 6.075. 20.25 into zero point 0.3. Okay. Then 30.25, 30.25 into zero point 0.5, into 0.5, half of that. So 30, 15.125, 15.125. And 182.25 into zero point 0.1 is 18.225. Means 18.225, 18.225, 18.225 plus 15.125 plus 15.125 plus 6.075 plus 6.075 plus 15.625 plus 15.625. The sum what you are getting is 55.05. Here the sum what you are getting is this is what 9 11 22 carry na 11 28 10 12 16. Let me know anywhere any mistake. Let me know anywhere any mistake. So this is the variance. So this is what we this is the variance of asset 1. This is the variance of asset 2. So the if you want the standard deviation, so the standard deviation of asset 1, standard deviation of asset 1, standard deviation of asset 1 is square root of 16 means 4, and the standard deviation of asset 2, and the standard deviation of asset 2 is equal to square root of 55.05. So you'll get 7 point something. So square root of 55.05, that is 7.149, 7.419. So you got the standard deviation of asset 1 and asset 2. You know the covariance between asset 1 and asset 2. Covariance between asset 1 and asset 2. So the covariance between asset 1 and asset 2, that was 29. So you know the formula. So now the you know the formula that the covariance between 1 and 2 is equal to coefficient of correlation between 1 and 2 into standard deviation of 1 into standard deviation of 2. So the coefficient of correlation between 1 and 2 is covariance between 1 and 2 divided by standard deviation of 1 into standard deviation 2. The covariance between 1 and 2 is 29. Standard deviation of 1 is 4. Standard deviation of 2 is 7.419. The answer for this is your answer. Divide this. So divide this. So 29 divided by 4, then divide by 7.419. You get 0.977. So these are tasks which is required to solve this question. So R of xy means coefficient of correlation between x and y. So okay everyone, so I'll wind up the class now. I hope you have understood this. So 16 marks question, so easy, we did it. So we need to very happy feel, we need to feel very confident on ourselves. We definitely will do great in exam. Okay everyone, take care everyone, bye.